Hmm.
Yeah, मेरी आवाज आ रही है सही प्रॉपर.
Okay, let's go. What is the name? Prabhat. Prabhat, so please tell me about yourself.
I am Prabhat Misra. I am a front-end developer at ProSkiller Private Limited Company. I have a 7 months of working experience and 6 months of internship experience. Total experience 1 year. And about my qualification, I have completed my graduation in last year. After that, I have completed my full stack development certification from BSH Academy. After I completed my certification, I got a 6 months of internship offer. So after completing my internship, they offers me a full-time job. So currently I'm working for there as a
For how
React.Js
long?
developer.
So for how long you are working for that company?
6 months.
It's been 6 months. Okay. What is the name of the company?
ProSkiller Private Limited.
Okay. So you are working as a React developer.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you made any projects?
Yeah, mostly more than 10 projects. Which one is
Hmm.
a 3R Dynamics fully dynamic website. First one is a which is similar to the judgestar.com,
Hmm.
where I have two categories like doctor and lawyer. So my role was to design a doctor categories user interface part. And the second project was a clone to the Dainik Bhaskar news application, where I have to fetch data from API and many functionality on this on that. So like search functionality, user can search the categories and different categories also available and different languages and countries of news API. So these are the functionalities. Yeah,
Okay. So what was the previous project?
it was a news application site.
Explain that project, please. What it is about, how it works, what
Uh,
are the functionalities you've added.
Yeah, that application was for the local news of my river
Uh-huh.
city, and on that project I have to fetch data from API, given
Hmm.
API, and we have some different 8 9 categories like Bollywood news, local newses, and sport newses. There are the different categories, and
Hmm.
functionality have there like search functionality and dark mode functionality and attractive user interface also. So which is similar to the Dainik Bhaskar website.
Hmm.
Yeah. So these are the
So are you any of your projects are on server?
yeah. So
Are
it's
any of your projects are on server?
yeah, yes, I'm using server.
Okay. So have you completed the deployment section too?
No deployment section. No, my role was to write the code and deploy at the GitHub.
Okay.
So I don't know what's the yeah deployment on server.
Okay. Perfect. So what are the languages you are proficient in?
In front-end technologies, I have covered React.Js, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Material UI, Redux, and NPM, and many JavaScript libraries. And in backend, I have covered Ruby on Rails.
What are your hobbies?
Uh, in programming, my profession, programming is my hobbies, and out of profession, I love to play musical instruments, musical, listen to music. Yeah.
Okay. What are your strengths?
I'm self-motivated person. I'm dedicated. I'm a teamwork person. So these are my strengths.
What are your weaknesses?
Weaknesses. My English is not so good, but I'm working on it. So it's my weakness part.
Okay. So what are the challenges you have faced during development of your projects and how did you overcome it?
During projects, one of the most challenging part is working with the teamwork. Na?
Uh-huh.
After my job, before my job,
Mhm.
mostly project I have a solo work. So I didn't have a experience to work with a team. I didn't know how to work with a team. But during my job and during my projects, I got a opportunity to work with a team and good team members. So these are the most challenging part. And the second one is a functionality, like a different functionality. Every different project have a different functionality. So this
Mhm.
was a challenging one. So yeah.
Why do you want to switch the company, Prabhat?
I'm from Riva, and my company is also located at Riva city. But for the IT sector, I'm looking for a better opportunity. But in my city, they have less opportunity to better growth. So this is the reason I'm looking for a better growth.
Okay. So let's just move into the technical part. Let's just see how you are efficient in technical things. What is React?
React is a free and open source JavaScript library which is used for the building the dynamic websites and single page web applications.
What are the key features of React?
There are many key features of React. Like the first one is provide a component-based architecture,
Mhm.
which is easy to write and easy to maintain and easy to reuse. Second one, it's work with a virtual DOM. React gives a lightweight representation of real DOM in its memory, so that is called virtual DOM. So which enhance the performance of the application. And the third one, it's provide a SSR server-side rendering and where data flow from parent to the child component. And fourth, it's providing unidirectional data flow. So these are the mostly features.
What is JSX?
JSS is a syntax extension of JavaScript. It stands for JavaScript XML, which allow you to write a like HTML code in JavaScript file and React.
Hmm.
It is used to building the user interface.
Okay, what are the components in React?
Com- yeah, components are the building blocks of React application,
Mhm.
which is easy to write and easy to reusable. We can say it's a group of reusable bits of code.
Mhm.
Yeah. And we have two types of components. Traditional one is a class component, and second one is a functional component.
What is the use effect hook?
Use effect hooks is introduced in React version 16.8, which is
Uh-huh.
used to achieve to perform a side effect perform,
Hmm.
in a functional component.
Okay. What is the difference between call, bind, and apply?
Call, apply, and bind. So these are the array methods which is used to the access this keyword inside the function. So in case of call, it calls a function with a specified this value and return the new value, new array. And in
Okay.
case of bind, call apply. So in case of apply, it also calls a function with a specified this value and returns a value. That one bind it's create a new value. It's create a new function. We can say yeah.
So what is the
So what
difference
with
between
this keyword it's created.
uh so what is the difference between double equals to and triple equals to operator?
Double equal to and triple equal to major difference is that double equal to check the value of the both array of variables, but triple equal it check the data type also and value also.
Okay. What is Axios?
Axios is a JavaScript library. Sorry. Axios is JavaScript library which is used to make the HTTP request and fetch the API calls.
What is the use of use memo hook?
Use memo it's a hooks which introduced in React version 16.8. So use memo it's used to perform the to optimize the performance of the application. So it returns the memoized value. So also we in JavaScript also we can achieve it from React.Js and debouncing and capturing method. But
Hmm.
in React we have the use memo hooks, so we can achieve it.
Okay. What is prototype chain? Chain. Okay. What is first class function?
Prototype is a mechanism in Java in between objects. Your good is paused.
Okay. What is first order function?
Yeah. So, yeah, what's the question?
What is first order
You repeat
function?
the question. What? First order function is
Mhm.
in React or JavaScript.
In JavaScript.
First order function, we can say it's a function. Function is used to perform a specific data, specific operation with a group of. We can say it's a group of bits of code. So it's a called a function. But first order function, I think it's a, it may be called a fat arrow function, maybe. Because I didn't hear about first order function. So it's maybe a fat arrow function. Fat arrow function is a advanced version of a function, normal function. Like we do not need to write a written keyword and curly braces. So it's a, we can say it's a shortest way to write a function.
Okay, what is the difference between proxy and ref?
Proxy and reps. Actually, my OOPS concept is not covered, so I'm not able to tell about OOPS.
Okay, proxy and ref is a part of React, by the way. Okay,
Proxy and
and ref.
I
What is
will
the
check
difference
it.
between the props and state?
Props stand for properties, and state it is used to handle the state of class, handle the state of application. So
Mhm.
it's hold the information about the state. So, sorry, component. And the major difference is that props it is used to pass a data from parent component to the child component, and state it is used to hold the information about data. Props difference is that props are immutable, so we cannot modify it inside the component, and the state are mutable, so it can be changed over a time.
Okay, where did you use props in your projects?
Mostly project I use the props.
Uh-huh.
When we need to pass a data from one component to the another component, like parent
Mhm.
component to the child component,
Mhm.
so we do not we need to write a props.
Okay, so Prabhat, what is your salary expectation?
3.5 LPA.